Hello everyone, my name is Tarun Pachal and I am specialized in routing and switching technology. Today I am give you the information about syslog message, like what is syslog and why we need this in the network industry. Syslog designed to monitor log message. Now the log message could be information, notification and error. This protocol is very important in the computer industry since this is a step one to troubleshoot any kind of problem. Without the log message, you cannot give the specific reason that why this problem is arise in the first place. So in this diagrams, let us suppose that if I want to see that whatever changes is going on in my branch office and in my HQ, so I want to monitor those changes with the help of syslog server. Having said that, you have to know the importance of and the components functionality of syslog. So the first of all, you should know what are the syslog components. So the overall syslog components is divided in 5 categories. The first one is known as service timestamps. So this will give you at what time the message is generated. The second component is known as facility. So that is giving you the information that about which technology the problem is arise. The third component is known as severity. So that will give you the importance of the message. So the severity level is divided in 0 to 7. That 0 to 7 is let you know the importance of message. So the level range is 0 to 7. So the lowest number will give you the highest priority. So in this example, 0 is demanding the more importance as comparison to the number 7. The next component is known as mnemonics. So that will give you the status of message, like what about the message information, like the status is down or up. So those kind of messages you can see with the help of mnemonics. Finally, the fifth component is known as description. So description will give you the detailed information about the message. For example, if you look in this slide, so the first one is indicate timestamp. The second one is talking about facility. So facility is talking about there is a change in the line protocol of the interface. Next number is indicate the importance of severity level. So this is 5. Similarly, the next one you have the mnemonics. It says this line protocol status is down. And the fifth component is indicate that the line protocol on the interface gig 1 change state to up. So that is known as descriptions. Now so far you know that these are the components of syslog. Now you have to know what are the various locations where you can see the syslog messages. So in Cisco iOS, by default you can see the syslog message only on console. This is because login console command by default is enabled. So there is also the other possible locations you can, if you want to see the syslog message, like you have monitor. So this is required. Let us suppose that if you want to remotely access one device and want to see the log message on that device, so that means you have to be enable the command which is known as terminal monitor. The third possible location you have the buffer. So buffer meaning you're going to be temporarily store the information in the RAM of that Cisco device. The fourth one is known as syslog server. So the syslog server could be in any location. So as long as you are reachable through the network, you can send the log message to the syslog, and then you can see what is the possible problem and then how you're going to be troubleshoot. So now you understand the various components and syslog location. So by default, as I said, you can only see the log message on console. Let us see all this information with the help of live example in this lab. So stay tuned with me in the next video. In that, I will let you know the configuration and how you can see the various types of log messages. Thank you.